In recent years, the concept of the metaverse has captured the imagination of both the technology sector and the public at large. Companies like Meta, Microsoft, Epic Games, and Unity have been at the forefront of this digital frontier, collectively investing billions of dollars to develop their metaverse capabilities. These investments are a testament to the belief in the metaverse's potential to redefine the way we interact with digital spaces, offering immersive experiences that blend the virtual and the real. Meta has been particularly bullish, pledging to invest at least 10 billion annually into metaverse development. Also, from January to May 2020 alone, metaverse-related technology attracted over 120 US billion investment, more than double the total investment in 2021. This surge was partly fueled by Microsoft's acquisition of Activision Blizzard, viewed as a strategic move to gain building blocks for the metaverse. Epic Games, known for its popular game Fortnite, secured $2 billion from investors to further its metaverse ambitions, demonstrating the company's commitment to evolving digital interaction spaces through live virtual concerts and events, as well as partnerships aimed at creating safe, engaging environments for younger audiences, like the collaboration with LEGO to develop a child-friendly metaverse. Also, the Spanish government's investment in Metaverse and Web3 projects indicates a growing interest from the public sector, recognizing the potential impact of these technologies on the economy and society. Such government-backed initiatives aim to foster innovation and development within the EU, supporting the burgeoning ecosystem of digital and virtual spaces.